Welcome to the ultimate guide to traveling the US by RV. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know to make your RV adventure unforgettable. From understanding the unique allure of life on the road to crafting the perfect route, budgeting wisely, and finding the best campgrounds, we've got you covered. We'll also share essential tips for maintaining your RV, packing smartly, and even traveling with your pets. Whether you're a seasoned RVer or just starting out, this comprehensive guide will help you embrace every moment of your journey across America. Let's hit the road. 1. Understanding the allure of RV travel. Traveling the United States by RV is a dream for many. It's the freedom of the open road, the ability to stop wherever the heart desires, and the comfort of having your own space that makes it so appealing. There are several types of RVs to choose from, each catering to different needs and preferences. Motorhomes are a popular choice, offering a home-like experience with all amenities on board. Camper vans, on the other hand, are more compact and maneuverable, perfect for solo travelers or couples. Travel trailers require a towing vehicle but offer flexibility in terms of size and layout. Choosing the right RV depends on factors like the number of travelers, budget, and travel style. Whether you want a luxurious experience or a minimalist adventure, there's an RV out there for you. 2. Crafting the perfect route. Planning your route is one of the most exciting parts of RV travel. The US offers an incredible array of landscapes and attractions, from the sun-drenched beaches of California to the rugged peaks of the Rocky Mountains. Scenic drives like the Pacific Coast Highway or the Blue Ridge Parkway provide breathtaking views. National parks such as Yellowstone and the Grand Canyon are must-visit destinations, offering a chance to connect with nature. When planning, consider the distances between stops and the time you want to spend at each location. It's also wise to check for any road restrictions or weather conditions that might affect your journey. By mapping out a flexible yet well-thought-out route, you ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip. 3. Budgeting for your RV adventure. Budgeting is crucial for a successful RV trip. Fuel costs can be significant, especially for longer journeys, so it's a good idea to calculate the estimated mileage and gas expenses. Campground fees vary widely, from affordable state parks to pricier private RV resorts. It's also important to budget for regular maintenance and unexpected repairs. Meal planning can help save money. Cooking in your RV is often cheaper and more convenient than dining out. Consider creating a travel fund in advance and tracking your expenses to avoid overspending. With careful planning, you can enjoy your adventure without financial stress. 4. Finding the perfect campground. Choosing the right campground can greatly enhance your RV experience. Luxury RV resorts offer amenities like pools, spas, and Wi-Fi, perfect for those seeking comfort and convenience. For a more rustic experience, boondocking allows you to camp for free in remote areas, often surrounded by stunning natural beauty. Websites and apps can help you find campgrounds, read reviews, and check availability. It's essential to book in advance, especially during peak travel seasons. Whether you prefer a bustling RV park or a secluded spot in the wilderness, there's a place for everyone. 5. Maintaining your RV and staying safe. RV maintenance is key to a trouble-free trip. Regularly check tire pressure, oil levels, and other crucial systems before hitting the road. Familiarize yourself with basic troubleshooting for common issues like leaky hoses or faulty appliances. Carry essential tools and spare parts to handle minor repairs. Safety should always be a priority. Ensure your RV's smoke detectors and carbon monoxide alarms are functioning. Practice safe driving habits and be mindful of the vehicle's size and weight. By taking these precautions, you can enjoy a safe and smooth journey. 6. Packing essentials for your RV trip. Packing wisely can make your RV trip more comfortable and enjoyable. Space is often limited, so prioritize essential items. Kitchen supplies like pots, pans, and utensils are a must for cooking on the road. Camping gear, including chairs and a portable grill, can enhance your outdoor experience. Safety equipment such as a first aid kit, flashlight, and fire extinguisher is crucial. Consider space-saving strategies like collapsible containers and vacuum-sealed bags. By packing thoughtfully, you ensure you have everything you need without cluttering your space. 7. Traveling with your furry friends. Traveling with pets adds an extra layer of joy to your RV adventure. Many RVs are pet-friendly, offering space for your furry companions to relax during the journey. Keep pets comfortable by providing familiar bedding, toys, and regular breaks for exercise. Research pet-friendly campgrounds and attractions in advance to avoid any inconveniences. Ensure your pets are up to date on vaccinations and have proper identification. Traveling with pets can be a rewarding experience, allowing you to share the joys of the road with your four-legged friends. 8. Seasonal tips for RV travel. The best time for RV travel depends on your destination. Spring and fall are ideal for visiting national parks, offering pleasant weather and fewer crowds. Summer is great for beach destinations and exploring northern regions. Winter can be a magical time for southern states and those seeking snow-covered landscapes. Be mindful of weather conditions and plan accordingly to avoid extreme temperatures or natural disasters. By choosing the right season for your trip, you enhance your overall experience and create unforgettable memories. 9. Connecting with the RV community. The RV community is a valuable resource for both new and seasoned travelers. Online forums and social media groups provide a platform to share tips, ask questions, and connect with fellow enthusiasts. Apps can help you find campgrounds, plan routes, and discover hidden gems. Engaging with the community can offer support, inspiration, and a sense of belonging. By tapping into these resources, you enrich your RV journey and make lasting connections. 10. Embracing eco-friendly RVing. Sustainable travel practices are essential for preserving the beauty of the places we visit. Minimize waste by using reusable dishes and containers. Conserve water through mindful usage and consider installing a water-saving showerhead. Solar panels can provide a renewable energy source, reducing your reliance on generators. By adopting eco-friendly habits, you reduce your environmental impact and contribute to the preservation of natural wonders for future generations.